Now let's see the interference of waves on the surface of water in a ripple tank. The interference of water waves in a shallow ripple tank can be produced if we take two identical pins, say S1 and S2, vibrating with same frequency. When the pins vibrate with same amplitude, they tap the water surface in synchronism. Crests and troughs in the form of circular waves from both the sources travel forward on the surface of water and they interfere. Under the illumination of ripple tank, a pattern called interference pattern is observed. The portion of circular waves consisting of crests are shown by solid lines, while the portions due to troughs are shown by dotted lines. Let the waves move forward towards a vertical line xy. Let us consider the interference of waves at any instant of time. Consider a point A. Here, crest of a wave from a wave is superposed on the crest of wave of the other. Similarly, at a point B, superposition of a trough from one wave and another trough from S2 or other wave takes place. Thus, at both the points A and B, maximum displacement or amplitude occurs, and the superposition is therefore a constructive interference. Now let us consider the point C. Here, the trough of wave from first wave is superposed on crest of other wave. Such a superposition is called destructive superposition of the wave, where minimum displacement takes place. The formation of antinodal and nodal lines results in relatively bright and dark regions called interference patterns of waves.